This is crazy. Where did you get that thing? We got a facility here with RVs, McDonald'sLand. That is cool, man. And square bodies. Dude, this is neat.
We're gonna get hooked to the Caveman camper, get Chase out the door, and he's gonna take you on an adventure today on Chase's Travels. It's a new series here on the Journey HQ. Let us know what you think about it.
You gonna take those with you?
Yes, I'm gonna leave the trailer there.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, because what if they need to move it, get it, move it around, all that good stuff? You know, they're a busy business.
Okay,
So I'm just leaving the trailer and
so
everything.
that one,
But we need to leave those there in case they need to get it off the trailer.
that one goes to that side.
Oh,
This
there's
one-
sides?
Those pieces of angle iron are shims that we had to put in there to
understand now.
compensate for everything.
Just write on them with the marker. Back right, front right, left forward,
Well,
backwards
wait a
forward.
minute though. It can't be backwards.
Hey, just number them 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know. Yeah, and then write 1, 2, 3, 4 on the frame. Yeah. Great job, Wes. Good thinking. I don't know. I just got to know I got to drive. I got to go drive to Longview. I got to drop off this camper. We're getting some stuff done around here. Y'all got that sucker strapped down?
You do need to stop at some point and just check.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to get gas. I'm out of gas.
Yeah.
All right, thank y'all. Checking it once, checking it twice. We don't need this to happen again. $151. What's going on? We're filling up with diesel though. Golly. All right, where do I go? Which way do I go? Jacksonville we go. Let's go. I just noticed a section on the camper. The siding's trying to like blow off. I got to pull over. All right, we got to tape this sucker up. It's grabbing the air. So tape it is. All right, I did not record that, but I had to pee really bad. And I pull into Arp, Texas, and I see this gas station, the Arp Country Store. Woo! And I run in there, I park across the street, run in there, and someone's in the bathroom. I finally go up, I'm like, hey, are you been in there a while? You coming out? And the guy's like, I just got in here, and he's on his phone. I hear his phone like he's just sitting there pooping, probably playing on his phone. Anyways, I had to come pee in the back of the truck. I had that bottle of water I got at the last gas station. I filled it up. I had to kneel back here in the back seat and pee. All right, let's keep going. That was embarrassing. I gotta pee again. Oh God, I'm doing the pee-pee dance. We got 2 miles till we get there. And first thing I'm gonna do is pee. Ethan's getting his spot cleared out for me. And we're gonna drop off this camper. I think we're leading up to the place. Think that's it. That is it. I've seen that lady with the cowboy hat before. That's freaking cool. American RV Restoration. We made it.
Arrived.
I gotta pee. America 250 Car Show, Palestine, Texas. We want you here.
So kicking things off on Friday, July 3rd, we're gonna have our car show cruise in. And if you're registered for the car show, you get VIP parking for the fireworks show, and we have live music from Detroit Steel, and you'll be able to be right in on the action.
Then July 4th, we're gonna be in Old Town Palestine, Texas at the Palestine Herald Press with the car show. We're gonna be parked there.
So grab your ride, bring your friends, bring your family, and come celebrate America's 250th birthday right here in Palestine, Texas with the Journey HQ.
There is too much cool stuff going on here at American RV Restoration. I was saying it right, I think.
Oh yeah.
Because I always hear Square Bodies of Texas too.
Oh yeah, we're all there too.
Is it all in this one vicinity?
It is. It is.
We got a facility here with McDonald'sland, RVs, and Square Bodies, and all sorts of stuff.
the 20-foot tall Cowgirl too.
Yes, I saw that when I was pulling in, and I'm like, I recognize that.
Yeah.
So this is Ethan, everybody. Y'all have seen Ethan before. He owns Square Bodies of Texas, and or no,
American RV Restoration.
this is his land. This is his property, and they're gonna be working on this camper we've got here, and there are
I'm Steven.
Andrew.
and Andrew.
Yep.
They're the guys gonna be working on this.
They're
thing,
gonna
right?
take care of this vintage Caveman from Oregon, which is so awesome.
Well, let's get this thing parked, and then
Let's do
let's
it.
take a look around, and I'll show you what they do here.
Perfect.
Because If you've got an Airstream, an RV, a vehicle that needs to get restored, all sorts of stuff, they're doing it all right here. So let's get this going. All right, well, here's where we're gonna drop it off. We're gonna leave the camper and the trailer here. Hopefully we don't need the trailer, but if not, I bet I got some good friends that let me borrow one. Let's get this thing unhooked. Ethan, this place is too cool. Show me around. Show me what you got.
We start out here. This is the Philco Predicta from 1959. The reason that these TVs went out of business was because they said color was a fad. Nobody wants color.
They missed out on that boat.
But they're a mid-century modern thing. We're about one of the only people in the United States still work on these, and we send these all over the United States. We got about 12 in stock that we're building right now. We have the Dino machine for eggs. That's what I used to.
I remember.
You remember that?
I remember these at maybe Kroger's.
They were all over.
Were they all over?
All over.
I remember them being at the grocery store.
Let's see if this thing will actually work here.
Oh, what in the heck? When you get an egg, will you get a prize?
Look at that.
That's pretty cool, man.
And
That is cool. What? Your buddy was showing me this and it says do not touch. He was like, do you know what this is? And I'm like, absolutely, I do not.
So this is B9 from Lost in Space. It's his 70th birthday this year, and his last time on film was in 1988, this exact robot. We are rebuilding him for the Route 66 100th anniversary, and we have chat AI going to him, so he'll be able to carry a conversation with you if you come to the show.
Are you doing that where they're trying to do 3,000 cruise?
It's where Richard's there too with me. Richard's going to be. He's been.
Is it? There's a thing I just got off the phone with.
No, that's a separate thing.
Okay, where they're trying to break a Guinness World Book record.
I got the paperwork on that on the desk.
I just got off the phone with
that
somebody.
Too, but we're big in Oklahoma. We love Oklahoma. The furniture's from the 60s. It's mid-century modern. The
I love that
chairs,
stuff.
The spinning chairs. We got the Blockbuster sign.
That's pretty cool. You know, I bought out a Blockbuster when I first started my business. And I bought all their movie racks, like
Really?
all the metal racking, because
Yeah.
I was like, I'll use that in my back room to store all my product.
We have an original 1953 cold sport fridge that still works. The boys
Cold
use-
sport?
Oh yeah, it's cold, baby. Look how cold it is.
Damn, it's pretty frozen. Dang, that is cool. My friend, we've got one of these at my buddy's
It's got
shop.
the butter holder. It's got the butter holder.
Dude, they don't make them like this anymore.
No, I drove all the way to Hobbs, New Mexico to get that.
Really? And that matches. Did you paint them the same color?
Phallen painted it for me.
That's cool. Back to
Of
the
course, you see
future.
Back to the Future stuff. We've done 2 DeLoreans, as we've done 2 water cars. We still have 1 water car, but yeah, a lot of cool stuff.
Where did you get that thing?
So that is Big Amanda. That would have been a 1967 Uniroyal girl, and she would have been at Uniroyal Tire Company, and she would have held a tire up in her hand. And now we've turned her into Big Amanda, so we made her the Cowgirl for Texas. So she's got the hat, the boots, and the gun.
So her arm was positioned differently.
No, the arms were the exact same position.
Yeah?
The only option you had was the bracelet. So she does have the bracelet. That would have been the option back in the day. We put the cowboy hat on her, the guns on her, the boots on her. My buddy Mark Klein helped with all the fiberglass work. We have an internal structure in her. She's been professionally painted here and clear coated, so she'll last a long time.
That's freaking cool.
Yeah, 1967 Uniroyal lady. Got the Ford. We're fixing to get that restored. Get that
That's
baby
too
running.
neat.
Yeah, put a new Predator motor in it, get it wicked.
But what y'all are doing, y'all can work on pretty much anything at Square Bodies of Texas to do with automobiles.
Yep.
Just kind of got the name Square Bodies of Texas, right?
Yeah. Well,
But
we love square bodies. That's what me and Phallen.
Yeah, this is Phallen. Phallen, you've been on the
Hey
phone.
guys,
What's
yes,
up, buddy?
I've been on the phone all morning.
Yes.
It's been crazy.
Me
but
too.
it's
I
been
was
a
just letting them
blessing.
know that y'all don't just do Square Bodies at
No,
Square Bodies of
no,
Texas.
We do a lot of different things like this CTSV or, just different things. I mean, hot rods in general.
Yeah.
Mainly LS swaps. Though.
Mainly, but we do some other other swaps as well, like this Hellcat over here.
But a Hellcat.
Yeah, we put a Hellcat. Oh, by the way, this is probably the very first four-wheel drive Hellcat powertrain and a Ram Charger.
Is it going to have this
America.
patina?
Yes,
I love the patina.
we did
Chuck
just paint.
Norris, Chuck Norris Pass.
Yeah, I know.
It's going to be the Chuck Norris edition here at Square Bodies of Texas.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Dude, this is a good looking truck.
Because if you well know, this is what Chuck drove out of the grave. He pulled this out of
Really?
the dirt after they buried him, was this rig.
Dude, that patina is nice.
So another one is a C30 that Phallen just got completed.
I love this.
4L80, it's got a 6.0 electric air conditioner, all new front end, new tires, new wheels. The camper's been all rebuilt. Look at that.
Oh, shoot. All matching.
We had to put a lock on the hood because he didn't want to get stolen.
Yeah, right. Dude, so this it's a 4L80 and everything?
Yep, 480. It's on Terminator.
Holly?
Yep. Truck North cam. Yep.
Truck Norris cam?
Truck North Cam.
Heck yeah, BTR, baby.
3 heads.
BTR, huh?
Yeah.
Is that BTR?
Yeah,
Yeah,
BTR.
that's what I thought. Heck yeah, dude. This thing is awesome. This only needs just Coca-Cola written on the side. Dude, that is cool. But, oh, it goes, it's like a pass-through?
Yeah.
What? Oh, Brent, look at this. This is brand spanking. You got the Memphis. Y'all are working on this right now. We still have some Hot Pepper Festival shirts on sale, certain sizes. We're blowing them out for $10. And we've got a couple other shirts, the designs. I think it's gonna be this design and this design. We're gonna be 25% off till we get them out of here because we've got new ones coming. And once we get rid of what we have in stock, we're gonna be ordering these new styles so you can get them first.
And then we've also got new hats on our website, guys. We've got so many different styles, so many different colors. We've got some up now and more are coming as we speak. Get on the website, thejourneyhq.com, and get yours ordered today. We've even got some new t-shirt designs coming, and Monkey Fab is now on our website. So all of your AN fittings, electrical, anything like that that you need from Monkey Fab Garage is now available on thejourneyhq.com.
What else? We got an Airstream. Big thing you've been talking about is air.
Oh, look over here. Look at all the Airstreams. That's just a portion. We've got 12 total on the lot right now.
12 Airstreams right now.
Redoing the plumbing for this gentleman, and he's going to take over. He's going to do the rest.
What is that? That thing looks cool.
That's a 1960 holiday house.
I like the way that looks. I thought it was new.
It is. This is a remake.
Oh, it's a remake.
So check that step out. All aluminum and everything. We're redoing all the cabinetry and the cupboards and everything. And
This thing, I love the front windows.
oh yeah, iconic.
Dude, that is
Little
cool.
stereo,
So wait,
awning.
is this the original frame and truck and
No, it's
like-
all been completely redone. So it's a whole new frame, all new aluminum. We ordered this as a shell. We had a buddy of ours do it up north, and then we're putting everything inside of it ourselves.
It
Our special
looks
touch on it.
cool.
Air conditioner, just put that air conditioner on the top of the roof on that one. So we have fans, we have ACs, we do all kinds of stuff like that.
What year Airstream is this?
It's a 72, if I'm not mistaken. The thing is working on it right now.
I know.
We've got so many we collect. We need to get rid of some of ours because we just haven't had time to work on our own. You know, between building
what he's-
canoes upstairs. and-
Building connect. So what you're saying is you've got some Airstreams and some campers for
I
sale?
do some vintage, really cool stuff that people would love to rebuild.
Where do they go to find these that are for sale?
AmericanRVRestoration.com.
There you go. You can go find you a camper, and if you need your camper worked on,
We've got you.
they can do it here in Longview, Texas. Beautiful drive. Like, I thought I was going through like Davy Dogwood Park. Like some of these roads that I came through,
Yeah, we do
and
have a lot
all of
pine
the
trees.
trees, it was like grown up. It was beautiful coming through here.
It's gorgeous.
This is the RV side of it.
Yeah.
We haven't even got to your side.
I know. This is crazy stuff over there.
We haven't even got to your side. What is that?
That is GTO.
GTO,
Bear brakes.
Bear brakes.
On that.
Is this been
Rhino line.
Rhino line?
Playland Rhino line.
That's a pretty good idea.
Yeah, that's what she wanted. And
It's rugged.
Yeah,
that way it takes a beating.
that's cool.
So you see the line of campers over here.
Yeah, he was showing me that. That's a lot of campers.
A lot of campers, and some of those are for sale. And then you got the Playland that we're doing dirt work right now. So we're actually putting in some lights and we're leveling it out. And these are all pieces I brought from all over the world that we've restored here to make the vintage 1971 McDonald's Playland like it would have been in California.
This is crazy. You got everything?
I have everything. So I started back 26 years ago for my 2 girls, and now my granddaughter gets to actually enjoy it.
You have got everything over here, and then you're gonna landscape is what you're looking.
Oh yeah, we're doing the
working
lights
with.
right now. Then we're gonna do the landscaping. Then we're gonna put a fence around it. We're gonna have animatronics. So they'll tell you about every piece here, where I brought it in from, how it looked, who restored it, and how it looked when we got done.
That is freaking cool. Is this gonna have water in it?
It is.
That's
Yep.
awesome.
Yep.
That's awesome. What is this guy?
Mayor McCheese.
Mayor McCheese. I didn't even know about him.
So a gentleman out of Nashville restored him for me. He was one of the second pieces I ever bought.
That's cool. And that's Grimace.
That's Grimace. That's one of our Grimaces. He came from North Dakota.
What is he doing?
That's Ronald. He used to sit on the inside on a table.
Okay.
He come from St. Louis.
Gotcha.
His pieces are all over.
Dude,
This one come from Tulsa.
oh, and it works.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, this is cool.
That's the pirate ship from Canada. Drove all the way up to Mackinac Island to get that.
Are you going to build a
cover?
a cover for this? I see your railroad ties, and
Yep.
that is cool, man. are you eventually going to let people like rent this out?
We're gonna do parties here, basically for pictures. It's not really to play on, because that's why this stuff got taken down. It's so dangerous. But this is gonna be for parties. So adult parties, we can come out here and we can have an adult party.
Okay.
That's my life goal.
Well, that's cool. Well, cool. You're on your way. Well on your way. It looks like you're working on it. Get it ready.
Yeah.
Dude, there's so much stuff. What is this tree?
So that would have been the apple pie tree.
Apple pie
You
tree?
see the apple pies, and that's what it is. And they have little chairs around it, just like they would have had back in the day.
Oh, okay. This would have been in a restaurant.
It would have been outside.
Oh, it would have been outside.
Very few were inside. This would have been outside. And you got the Ronald from the Walmarts. He would have been sitting inside the Walmart.
Oh, I remember him. Yeah, he would be out there on the side, like outside of the store.
Yep.
And you just come hang out.
Yep.
I remember you'd be looking for your mom, and you'd just be hanging out with Ronald McDonald, just
Smell
chilling.
chicken nuggets.
Yeah, dude. It was at the back,
It
back
was.
there where the at
actually
our
was.
Walmart. It was back there by the milk, and I guess that's like the deli now.
Yeah. Yeah.
At our
exactly.
Walmart.
No, it's almost every one. You're right.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So have you ever seen an amphibious car?
I've seen them on the internet.
This one runs and drives. We were in our 2021 A&E episode with this one. We're fixing to paint it this year and redo the interior.
It's that straight up propellers on it.
Yeah, it's an amphicar. So it goes right into the water.
Look at that.
Pretty cool thing. I drug this in from California.
Dude, this is neat.
So everything runs and drives. New gas tank, new lines, everything. The motor's been rebuilt, transmission's been rebuilt, all the fuel system's been rebuilt, all the brakes been rebuilt. We just have to do the interior and the paint, which is easy for us.
So this is the old. How many were there of these?
About
And
3,000 of them originally.
3,000. They all look the same.
Yeah, just different colors.
Just different colors, and they were just an amphibious car.
Yeah.
That is wild, dude.
Yeah, pretty cool.
That is cool. But all these campers, he said that you own a couple of these.
I do own about 9 of these, and I need to get rid of a few of those. So.
All right,
Really
American.
good deal. If they want some really cool patina and they want some really cool vintage, I have them
They
covered.
got it. They got it here at American RV Restoration and Square Bodies of Texas. So y'all check out their website, and maybe you'll find something you like. Phallen, you gonna show me around your shop?
Yeah, welcome to Phalen's Funhouse.
Phalen's Funhouse. I like that.
It's a big block, 400, came out of this square body. This is Frankie's square body. You actually know Frankie.
I met him at Lone Star Throwdown. Yeah, because this square body looks super familiar.
Yep.
I remember talking to him, and he was like, "That's my square body."
You can get some footage. of
Oh,
that
he's
in
getting
there.
LSA put
Yeah.
in here.
Yep.
I think he told me that.
Yeah. So
I don't remember him telling me y'all were doing it, but he told me.
Yeah. So we're
That is
doing
cool.
that.
80 model?
Yep.
I can tell by that grill that's an 80 model. It is nice, dude. Pearl white. Got the light. Oh, yeah, it's super nice. Got a Bel Air.
Yeah. This is Jim Frank's Bel Air. This thing, we just got it running. I got to build an intake for it. We got a couple hoses I need to finish up on the AC. But this thing's super, super, super clean.
Cool. I was just telling you, speak up, maybe.
Yeah, I know. I'm deaf. Too
And then you've got a, wait, I thought this was Square Bodies of Texas. Now we got RVs in here. What's going on? This is a cool one.
This is another deal like Mark's C30 over there, you know, where me and Ethan are working together on this one. This is actually getting a 427 LS with a 6L90.
What?
Yeah, with Holly Terminator, as of
That,
course.
and what is it, Condor?
Yes. Condor 2,
Condor 2.
1970.
And it's going to be LS swap.
Yep, we just got the engine bay done.
Dude.
We're fixing to make motor mounts.
You mean the
And-
cab?
Yeah, right?
Inside the RV. I mean, you're right there. But it's going to be a, what size LS?
427 blueprint.
Oh, sweet. Awesome. Where'd you get that idea?
I mean, I don't know. I don't know who did it first, the chicken or the egg.
Ah, that's cool. So you didn't go out as far as we did,
No, uh-uh.
but that looks cool.
So
That's still.
actually, so it's kind of crazy. Ethan got this as a desk. We were gonna build a desk out of this, and you know, we were like, you know what? Let's just put it on the side of the building.
That is cool. I like that. So that gets to show you where do people find you if they want to get their truck worked on.
Come find us. We're in Longview, Texas. Square Bodies of Texas, all one word. Come check out the website. We build crazy trucks like our blue one, and we do a lot of restoration work. So if you guys need, you know, that Pacific, you know, trying to find that guy that's going to take care of you, that's us. Because we have an awesome team here. We all know how to do each other's job. Come check us out.
And we're fixing to go get something to eat because I'm starving. Where are we going?
Ah, dude, I'm hungry too.
I'm starving.